Alright guys, welcome to part 2 of this tutorial. So what we're gonna do is, I forgot to mention this in the previous tutorial, and it's really important to do that. So you need to anchor these two objects. So just click on border, home, just click on this anchor button, make sure it's highlighted like this, and then same for your blackboard as well. Make sure it's highlighted. Click on home, anchor. Right, with that out of the way, let's add a text to this sign now. I'm gonna go home again. So I already downloaded this file that we can import into Roblox, but we will put a link for you guys below in the video where you can click on it, and then you can basically just download it to your computer, put it in a folder, you can name it Roblox. I'm gonna just find it now, import it, so click import. The name of the object is open text, so I'm just gonna type that, click here. Keep everything the same, select import. There you go. There is the text. What we're gonna do is now we're gonna move this closer. Right here. I'm gonna pull it up. There you go. Now we would need to rotate this and click on this green line right here. There's your sign. Okay. Move it out again. And we'll go up and right here, and I'm just gonna scale it down a bit just so that it looks nice. It looks like it fits. Yeah, there you go. Next thing we'll do is we'll add a neon material again. You can do this two-way. You can either click here or type material. Oh, sorry. You would need to click here, properties. You can type material. You can change it to neon here, or you can do it also through here. You can go home, material, and then neon here. There you go. Right, now last thing we'll do is we'll just add color to make this look nicer. Color. I'll change it to red. Really red. That's funny. Alright, now let's test it out. So I'm just gonna click on my play button and see how it looks in the game. If I'm not mistaken. Oh yeah, I forgot. So that's what I mentioned before. Never forget to anchor things. Okay. I'm gonna keep this in the tutorial so you guys know how it looks. So go ahead, open text, click into home again, and then anchor this. Now we'll click play again and see how it actually is supposed to look like with everything anchored in place. Alright, there you go. That's our neon sign up there. That's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and you learned something new as well. That's it for today. See you guys in the next one. Bye.